Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today we will be seeing a Python code. In the last video we saw how we can write a finite state automata for an automatic door controller. In this lecture, if you haven't watched that video, I would recommend first you go and to the I tab and watch that video first. And in this video, we will see how we can write a piece of Python code to represent the finite state machine for automatic door control. Okay. So first we will go over here. This was the state transition diagram for the automatic door controller. So in this code, what I have done is one bit will be representing bit 0 represent that the door is closed, and bit 1 represent that the door is open. And we saw closed is 0, 1 is open, and all these inputs I have given neither. The bit 0 will represent neither, 1 would represent front, 2 would represent rear, and 3 would represent both. 3 would represent both. Because here we have 4 distinct inputs and 4 distinct values can be represented using 2 bits, right? And 2 bits we can write maximum 0, 1, 2, 3, right? And yes, so 0, 0 of this, we will be representing this transition diagram with a two-dimensional matrix. Rows will represent the state of the door. Closed is 0. First row will represent the closed state of the door. 1 will represent the open state of the door. These are the current states. And the inputs based on the columns would represent the inputs on the current state, and the value of 0 0, this position would be closed was 0, right? So this will be 0 1 0 0 and 0 1 1 1. So using this we have already written a transition 2D matrix over here. We can see this. So we will check the values once. 0 1 0 0 for the first row or the closed state, 0 1 0 0, and for open we have 0 and triple 1. So 0 triple 1. Okay, so this is the state transition diagram. So I have imported the random library over here, and in a list I have kept the possible name of the possible states. The actions are representing possible inputs, neither front, rear, both the names, human readable names. Okay, for computer these will be numbers, right? And the state transition diagram. Okay, then we are randomly generating the current state using random.randint, because we have only 2 states, so it will be randomly generating 0 or 1. And then we are printing the name, human readable name of the state, current state, that is states that value of the current state, right, whether it is open or closed. And then we are randomly generating the input, because there are 4 inputs, so randomly using random.randint, a random integer from 0 to 3 both inclusive. And we are printing the human readable what action we are doing, actions arrays input, that index, right? Because 0, if suppose randomly we picked 0 as the input, so actions 0th value is neither, that means input is nobody is standing on the mats. And after from the transition state transition matrix, for that particular position, that is current state row and input column, the value of the state we are printing, new state is like this. Okay, I hope you understood the code. Now we will just run this. So if your current state is closed, and we will see the diagram once, if your current state is closed, right, and your input is neither, your input is neither and closed, then you will be staying at closed, right? The output is closed. We will Run 2 more times. The same only it came. Okay, open and both. Okay, you are in open state, okay, currently, and both is the input, then you will stay at open state. Okay, a few more times. Okay, same is coming. Okay, your current state is closed and input is front. Your current state is closed and input is front. You go to open state. So it's working fine. Again, one more time we will run. Okay, same. Yeah. Um, okay, this we have also seen the same input. Okay, now the current state is open and the input is rare. Current state is open, input is rare. You stay in open. Okay, so in this way you can write a piece of Python code for any DFAs or finite state machines you create. Okay, so hope you like this video. Please share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and share your feedback in the comment section below. I will be happy to read them. Till then, happy coding and enjoy learning theory of computations. Bye bye and take care.